Welcome to LyraTech, where we give you the scoop on the latest tech and home gadgets. Today, we are diving into the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard cordless vacuum, a machine designed specifically for pet owners. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let us examine the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard's core cleaning capabilities and how well. With a powerful 280-watt suction motor, this vacuum can effectively capture pet hair and fine dust from various surfaces. The FurFinder LED headlights illuminate hidden pet hair, while the specialized FurFinder tool removes up to 95% of embedded. The FurGuard self-cleaning brush roll is a standout feature, actively preventing hair wrap and clogging from pet and human hair up. It includes a HEPA-sealed allergen system, which helps capture dust and allergens within the vacuum, keeping them out. Overall, the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard demonstrates strong core cleaning capabilities, especially for pet hair, making it. Next, let's explore how easy and convenient the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard is to use. You get up to 50 minutes of cordless runtime in low mode, which is great for general cleaning, but only. This vacuum easily transforms from a stick to a handheld, or its self-standing design allows for convenient pauses during cleaning and compact storage, plus it comes with a wall mount. At its price point of $229.99, this vacuum offers a strong value proposition, especially for pet owners looking for dedicated. The PowerClean FurGuard delivers strong usability and thoughtful ownership features, though the limited turbo runtime is. The Bissell PowerClean FurGuard stands out as a solid choice for pet owners seeking effective hair removal in a cordless package. It brings together powerful suction, specialized tools, and intelligent design features that make everyday cleaning easier.